Kinsa ang hunter. I do this. Uy, si
I am.
Sean Hunter.
What the fuck is going on?
Wala si Sean Hunter.
Okay,
I
okay.
will kill you all.
Wait.
Run, Paula, run.
Where are we going? Oh, wait.
You have
I don't
no
know.
more minute.
My God, 44 seconds. Wala, di ko kakuha. Oh, di ko. Ay, di ko.
I will kill you all.
What do you
Not
paint
yet, not
again?
yet. Ako pa dyan.
Wait,
Chat, wait.
paint mode.
Okay.
How do you? Wait, what? I can't go there.
Kill you all.
I am so dead.
Yes.
I am so dead.
Sorry mo guys, kay Discord raman.
Wait lang, Sean, wait lang, Sean.
I thought there's kitchen. It's surprisingly hard, no?
I'm so
Hello. Ano gawin mo ko quiet, guys?
Yeah, oh. Okay, wait.
How do I?
It's actually hard, no? So much stuff in this map.
Kita ka na ko, Paula.
No.
What? There's more?
How do you kanang i-rotate while nag-paint?
You can't.
Oh shit.
Can I open doors? No.
I'm doing it right one. I'm gonna try.
What a large space, bro.
If ever, Sean, you need a hint, I will say, I will say my hint pag 100, pag 1. Oh my God, you killed Paula. Never mind, no hint for you, you evil motherfucker.
Today
see
siya.
me, You see me, Paula?
Yeah, I see you. What is that? Yo, okay. That's a good spot.
I did not know that this was a spot. Wait, can you guys move?
Yeah.
Or delay na? Baka move or delay na?
Yeah. Oh, nag-touch siya.
The stairs is shit.
I can't.
I said.
That ain't no fucking way.
Where is Eugene?
Yeah, I'm not saying it. god.
Namay kuan free cam. Asa man tong free cam? Ay,
Oh
it's
yeah.
5.
Oh, free
And
movement
then
dapat.
4. Oh, yeah, I'm flying around.
I climb stuff too. My god.
How do you do that? How do you do that?
Hold space,
Just-
Paula.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did. Asshole.
So this shit is actually harder than I thought, bro. Yeah.
Yaki ka did, you
Hey,
asshole.
siya.
Yeah, I think you were the balls. Yeah.
I didn't know pwede din
Hey.
na usapa.
Hey, guys.
What the freak? Oh my
Asa si
Yeah,
Paula?
sudo.
no,
Oh, yeah.
dude.
Ayun. Naglingkod na baka ni Paula.
I don't know where to go.
I was thinking, a horse. Balls. Magkakaroon sa sakit.
You, that was good. What the freak?
Funny kayo kasi kung ka-stuck up.
I random daily this one.
Ang hunter, kung gusto ka ma-hunter, Paula, dali ka mo stand.
Oh.
I'll try it.
Okay. Oh my god. Space
I don't know what
noise.
mode I picked.
Oh shit. Is this the bathroom?
I can imagine how hard this is.
This backrooms level
It's,
might actually be kinda.
the videos na ako nakitaan, it's really hard to like actually, like
Where
lisod gid
going?
kayo.
Where should I go?
Coming, guys.
No, please.
This backrooms level is so bare, bro.
Maot siya.
Like it's easy. I would say
Easy to find or easy to hide?
easy to find ang ano.
Dapat ka to dahing isa ka map. Ready or not, here I come.
When your body is buried too much, mo ano ka?
Muglow.
Mo glow.
Yan na yung warning. Kulban ko ganiha kay like nahiwi magud ko sa ako balls.
How do you free cam again?
4 and then 5. Bro, this is hard. I get a whistle. And
I whistled.
Wait, so I saw Paula. Where the fuck is Paula?
Oh no, I messed up.
Assumption.
I hear Paula's mic, bro.
Off yung mic, Paula.
Oh, I didn't know. Nadi kuan ani like kanang space. Sorry.
Is that a person?
Naka-limit ang shells.
Wala.
Become 5. Can I no clip na ning 5?
Asa ka siya?
Five. And then you press 4 siya.
4? Oh, okay.
After 5, you press 4.
Free movement.
But this is hard, yeah. It really, oh my god.
If you see me, Jid, you will see me.
Asa ka siya?
Can we not see the other players? Another day?
You can- How bad is it?
What are you doing? Paula,
Shut up, please.
um,
Shut up, no. Asa ka siya?
Wait, so I've seen Paula a few times already kay ang score. Ay, I forgot to tell you kanang score gani means nakitaan ka. But I can only see that update every certain second. Am I not looking? Like, what is this shit?
Second
Bro,
shot.
wala ko nag-expect ato, Paula.
Bro, are you Sean?
Kaya pag
Are
free
you
cam nimo,
Sean?
i-switch lang ang cam. Left click pag
Oh.
free cam nimo.
Am I not?
Kita ka sa ako.
Oo. Kita ka sa ako. Kita ka sa ako.
Oo. Basta yun, if you see me, I'm dead.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Took you safe.
I will say,
Paula is
you
harder
made-
to find.
okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Ayawa na pa din ni diri. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing there, buddy?
Yati.
You still up. I
The
can't,
moment you
bro.
turn ko ba, what the fuck?
Paula.
Fuck na pa din ni diri ang room. Can I get a whistle?
Okay. I'll listen.
Okay, Paula. Once lang kay 1 minute.
Okay. What do you?
May whistle na siya.
Oo. Again, Paula, again.
No, I can't. Like, wala ka diri ah.
I'll whistle at 20 or 30 seconds. What do you freak out and freak out?
Where is this bitch?
Whistle, mga ano pala.
20? Ay, 15. How about that? 15.
Karon 2020 karon.
You're here? Where is she?
I'll whistle again. 5.
Oh my god! You're here! Where are you?
Bro.
Where is she?
Look up.
Motherfucker! That's so
Yeah.
fucking evil.
This was hard. The giveaway jud was the shadow.
Oh! Wait, no. Pag diriya ka siya, no, wala ko yung makita. It's just pure white.
Oh, white gid siya. Ang shadow yun ang giveaway gid. But for a first time na like sa map, you would never know.
Sige, Paula, ikaw kuan.
Tapos para
Ano
mag...
si-
Pili kog map na wala na to na try.
Pila ka map siya? Naman po din workshop daw. Nagi Minecraft nga
1,
map.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maps. Yati, yung mga maps kay grabe ka gubot.
I know, right? What the freak?
I'm
It's
gonna
chameleon
do the-
coded.
ang ako I'm gonna try and do the something nga kuan. Fucking weird.
It's actually
What
hard.
if, like-
Yati.
Listen si ano? It's hard.
Especially pag mag-change kag shape. Parang like pose. And,
What the fuck is this map?
Is this just one room? What's going on?
Yeah, it is one giant room. Yawa. Kamaya na tong orasan, uy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ganun na kay Japanese words on this.
Bitaw. I don't know po.
Is this ominous?
Utsa Paula ayo sa spawn nagpaint pa ko.
23 seconds pa ko. Oh my god, everything looks so blurry.
Wala mo naman.
So blurry. I'm gonna shoot all the balls now. Hello? Are you here? Ay, ano eh. How do you, ano, Hello?
Kita ka na ko siya.
Kalila di daw, wala ko naman.
Pamamod ko naman. Wonder ko, basta naiwan ako.
Hello?
Oh, Paula's right there. Hi, Paula.
Hello?
Para, there's no hello here.
Hello? Who is this? Sean, where's Sean?
Bro, this is the wrong pose, bro.
Hello? Do you
Yaman, nagpaint pa ako. Nakitaan ko ni Paula yan. What the fuck is this shit?
Nahulog ko okay. And I had to do something desperate.
Hello?
I dare you to whistle. Ah, ayaw na lang.
Kaya lang ka.
Hello?
Ayaw ko naman ni shit niya. Shan, press F o niya. Pinduta V.
Ang say
You can
B.
turn off your shadow.
Whoa, pwede din
Ay,
daw.
I saw it sa kuan. Nagtanaw ko sa while drawing. Bro. Bro.
Wait, chest?
I-open Paula, gold. Gold chest, Paula.
Gold chest? Where is Sean?
I'm just around, you know.
Whistle daw siya. Mga 60.
Yeah.
Sige.
Masa mas Paula? Manara?
Hello?
Wala Paula, nanilihok.
Hello?
Bro, mag-rape ni si Paula ba?
Bong, bong.
Ala, graduate na one day. Oh, wait, mag-whistle na day ko, no?
And I dare you.
Do I turn off the mode again? Yan na lang, yun lang.
I dare you, shut up.
Mga 30.
Okay.
Paula ba? Whistle again, Sean, 15.
Sige.
Hello? Oh, there you are.
Oh no, bro! I was gonna say, how the fuck? How the fuck did you survive? Like,
I was a piece of shit.
I was gonna say, you look like third. Mungkin
Yeah,
pala sa- But if I had said that, I feel like Paolo would know. Yeah.
So hard. Yeah, that's a good spot.
Lisod kayo, Paula, no?
Good eh.
Pisti, nakita din ko ni Paula na mali ako color.
Napad napanood dito sa kuwan.
Lain
Kilig.
na po na mapusan. That na po. Fucking small.
Penguin Hotel data.
Oh my god. My lord.
I need to use the other poses, no?
How do you continue to stick to the wall? I tried, but I fell.
You kinda just hold it, I guess.
Oh my god, where do I go? What is this?
I don't know where to go, Paula. Where the fuck are we going?
Ay! Ay!
Just I need more time, Shan. Wait, Shan. Wait, Shan.
Sige, I'll give you more time.
Yay!
Sorry. Oh my god, I need more time as
Joke
well.
lang. Yee. Yee. We should extend the
Oh
time
my
for
god, I'm so
prep
pumped.
sa settings. At least this maze looking.
Yeah, what, money, bay? Yeah, what, bay?
You never know, I could not actually find you.
Pintal-pintal pa kay ko diri.
Ako po dyan.
Stairs are weird, man. And there are crevices.
Asa ka dapit kan?
Main room with the penguin. And
Oh.
the door's not open.
No, I don't think so.
There's another room here. The messy rooms are so hard. How many rooms are there? Have I been in this room before?
Um. Oh my.
You guys get in this crevices? The fuck?
What do you mean?
Kaya mga like empty areas sa map.
I'm not. Oh,
Hmm.
wala, are you still painting? Nag-paint pa ka?
Yeah.
Do you see what I have? Oh, nag-paint pa mo na yun. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Area din na this like kinda difficult to access.
Oh. I'm sorry, Shat. Bitaw, wala pa ko nahuman og paint. Manang wala ko nagbiso-biso.
It's hard, bro. Yati.
Will whistle now. Wait. How do you not wait and
The messy maps are hard.
I will say, Shan, you were looking at me.
I have no idea yati. There you are. What the fuck was really good, Paula?
Wala, taraw ako.
Really
And
good.
beside the
Where
wall.
are you?
Kapatid ko.
oh my god!
Yati.
Kilabyan ko na yung I'm like, oh my.
That's pretty good, yati.
Ba, ito yun.
Wait, there's a fun? There's a fun si
Ano
GD?
sa inlain? Wala.
Different map. I can extend hunter wait
time.
time to
Yeah,
9.
it kinda is shit, bro.
Oh my god, what a kani.
Kasi nang tanong nag-shake. Ay, nara! Shake. Ay, ha? Ay, nara. Oh, yeah.
Yes, where did
All
you
Japanese.
go?
Well, what the fuck is this? Oh my god.
In a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is this map?
It's I don't know.
What do you mean?
I also don't know. Oh, wait.
Some mess. One room now? Is it?
God. Ay. Where am I gonna go?
How do you rotate the camera? Are you kidding me? That's how you rotate this shit? Bro.
Hindi ko kasi ako. Oh my god. Ay.
Saya nga wala post na ano.
Right. I'm a...
Holy shit, I am not done.
I am also not done. Wait, what?
Ready or not? What in the fucking gingerbread ass?
I know, right? Wait, what?
One of you has to have climbed here.
Again, if you spot me, I'm dead.
Do you guys see me?
No.
This is hard, bro. What the hell? So many things. What the fuck?
Yate, wala ko Monday ko na human.
Yeah. What are we doing here?
No. Will you finish me paint my paint first? Do you like my paint?
I turned sa taas sa churro ba yan?
Oh no.
Like, tama na. Yawa ko. Ulok na. Asa man siya diyate?
Oh no. No, that's so good.
Bro.
Bro, I should
Someone
have
is
done
asleep.
that instead.
I bet you he's a gingerbread.
I don't know, Jin.
Gingerbread. That would actually be a good idea.
That was my idea when I saw this one. I was like, oh, one of them is a gingerbread. Asa naman ka siya? Ako nag-point si Paula o pagita saan ako.
Ay, nagpuan ko. Excuse me.
Are you high or low? Yo, wait.
Um,
Ikaw. Naman.
So may tawagan na position, Paula.
T-pose, I think.
Dili, you idiot.
Oh my bad.
Where are you?
I'm sorry.
Where are you?
I'm sorry. I meant crouching pose, crouching. He changed
No,
his
it's
pose.
it's like nag-ask si JD if I was high or low.
Oh, oh my bad.
T-pose? Fucking shit.
Yeah, I crouch. No, not T-pose. Crouch. He changed his
It's too late
position.
now. Yeah, you can't change it.
I'm not high. Well, I can say that one.
Yeah, true, true.
Well, I've seen you a few times, but I don't know where you are.
You've seen me a few times.
Ang kanang kanang scoreboard nasa kilid.
Ano din?
Whenever I see someone niya dili ko ka-realize kay musaka ang inyong number. Mo na nabantayan ganiha?
Ay, naman din line of sight na thingy.
Yeah, but it only updates for like a few seconds ako. So I can't exactly pinpoint where you are based on it.
I've been here all this time.
Honestly, you would have won, but I blame Paula.
No, I thought that was my bad.
only
Nahi
thing in my
ako
head was like,
pasabot ni
T-pose.
Ivan.
Like, yeah,
That
pwede
was my
nag-T-pose.
bad.
Where's the gingerbread? Mungkin ito nasa kuwan.
I thought,
Di ba nandari ang may
ang height
Yeah.
ulo?
I misunderstood.
Is that a person?
Di man ko makakuhan, Jid, with the space.
Dapat ko like ambot I wanna do like weird shit na
Yung ka-climb.
mo blend it or kanang mo pretend ka you're part of the shit.
Ay, naaray! This is what you meant.
Space, you hold lang. Kasi pala ikaw
Padaya
na
ako, Hunter.
imposter.
Yeah. Tsaka na nga ma.
Where the fuck are we? Oh. Saan ali ra ko diri. Hey, diri.
Easy.
You get it? You see this?
Yes.
Okay,
How do you
okay.
how do you like stay in place though?
You just hold you just kinda stop moving.
Okay. Tapos fuck.
But I think I chose the wrong paint. God damn it. Paula, chill lang Paula ha.
Okay.
No need to like go haywire, you know? Yawa, ang oras yan. Nagulbaan ako. Wala
Yeah,
pa
na
ako na.
pagidaan ako 10 seconds.
Oh no, I fucked it up. Shit.
Holy art school, bro.
What?
Wala lang.
Pew pew.
Oh my god.
Feel like I'm gonna lose in this round. Oh my lord, that's a big ass map.
Where is she?
I don't
My
know. I don't see her
god,
yet.
some big ass map.
What the fuck? Nagtanong ko na di mo.
Where's Paula, bro? I see her. I see Paula.
Grabe man ikaw, ano the ganing colors?
Gani, daghan colors.
Very many colors.
Ooh.
Dad, what the fuck? Shut the fuck up.
It's my bad.
Oh, that's a fucking fun, bro.
I fucked up. Oh my god, so close.
Hmm. Ray.
Oh my god, I have to like stop and keep moving after. Yeah,
I don't know what you mean.
and like when you paint, you kind of just have to like stop and then turn and stop and then turn.
Yes.
Asa ka siya?
I'm not far. You did a pretty good job.
Bro, I'm so pumped. I feel like I won't
Dagan pa time, Paula. No worries.
Dati mo kilid siya niya.
Okay.
You see? Sabi ko, ay layo pa
I
siya.
don't see her. I don't see her anymore.
I hear the gunshot. It's far. I'm not. Oh yeah, we can turn off fucking shadow. Jesus Christ.
Are you?
Paula, I think you will be very pissed.
I know, right? I feel like
Sa
I
amo.
keep
Mali man di ang angle, no? Like, holy shit,
Dapat sa
bro.
ubos ang imong
Oo,
ibasihan
oo,
niya.
oo. Gagi.
Hindi.
Nag-free cam na ko asa mas paulabi.
Siya,
Tandungan ta whistle mga kuan ha, mga 40?
Sige.
Oh,
Ano yung free cam again? 5, 4. Ano siya?
Oh my god.
hindi.
Taking a screenshot.
Oh my god.
What?
Yee!
What is that?
Oh my god, it's so good.
What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? You
Yeah,
Yeah, that's so good. I was like, huh? Oh?
Naglingi-lingi ko sa room pa, mudagan at tapos na wait. Come here.
Oh my god. That's so good.
yeah.
I
This
thought
one's fun.
kuan mo
This
like
one is
nga mo
good.
sa ubos. Sa
Yeah,
sewer.
we kind of like pretended. Kasi mas Paula, wala man diri siya. Okay ra di. I heard
Basta
that
continue din with paint. Kay grabe to kadugay.
kami ako man. Wala lain na map.
We have
Oh, ma.
officially done all maps.
Wait, what
Can we
did
do the
you?
last one? The last one's fun.
Tong
Yeah.
sure?
Oh,
The gani colors.
Sige.
daghan mag colors. Nag-free cam ko and I'm like, holy shit, daghan nag-shit diri.
Is
Insay hunter ako?
Sure. We can, I was gonna say random, but, you know.
Kasi yung random na lang ta.
I'm the hunter.
my lord. Wait, go.
Bro, don't do the hiding spot again. I will look. I will look.
Um, is this not allowed? Oh, it's not allowed.
Ay, ay. Ay.
Shit. Holy shit.
Si Chat. Oh shit, shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit.
But I feel like you're faking it.
No, 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 we're not legit.
I don't trust you. May 360 no scope na ko diri. I'm here.
Oh, please.
Fuck yeah, this is amazing. Yawa nindot ning daghan ta ba mga pisti.
Gani.
You guys see me?
No.
I'm still painting.
You need to extend the painting, no? Like really, tas on you day na to. Kung daghan ta kay like at least duha ang mangita ba. Pero pag like upat or tulo or probably fine. What?
Pisti ako pala yun. I just realized.
No, I'm not yet done.
That sounds like a you problem. Where are you? You here? You here? Where the fuck are you? Oh, penguins.
I haven't seen Sean yet.
What do you mean?
I'm still painting.
Wait, I've seen Paula and Sean, so wala pa ko layo nila ko. So you probably are here, right? Yeah, fuck, you're here. Where are you?
No, ano lagi siya, ano? I don't know how that works, the thingy.
The what?
Kanang line of sight thing.
Oh yeah.
Am I even close to you guys or wala?
There's too much time for a hint.
Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. Where are you guys? Bro, nakuha na ninyong score, uy.
What the friction?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Yati.
Ako po, sabi na,
Got
Are you?
basta kanina kasi, basta kanina kasi, so to like minds,
Oh,
no,
to
no,
like
I should
minds.
shut up.
Nagtapad ra mo. Where's Paula?
Yati.
Ay, where?
Oh my god. I can't, bro. I can't.
Ate Paula's vlog. Kita rin kong duha ka legs ang focus.
Bro. Oh my lord.
Yeah, ate, wala mo ni go for like the walls. It would be fire, man.
Don't know. Randomly. Pew.
Naman di force taunt na ano, na setting.
Na what?
Oh.
Force na taunt. So like,
Oh.
nasa
we do that?
interval
Oh.
of seconds. Every minute, may taunt or ano.
You wanna do that then?
Yeah. Hindi na.
Gamay raman tayo. Ito makita na yata.
Yeah, true.
True. Kuan lang on a rule kung kuan na lang at a certain time pwede na mo kailangan na mo ask pwede na mo ask ang hunter for a taunt.
Itong first one was really difficult.
Ay shift de ang pang space and then shift ang detach ug attach.
Oh shit.
So you go to the wall, you press space, you attach. If you press shift, you detach. I was wondering, anong dili ba ko mo detach?
I'm the hunter.
Who's hunting? Oh, Paula.
Kaya Jud, sa may plano Jud.
I don't know. Ayaw na.
Di Judy,
Pagbuban namin ni Sean ba? Alala? What explore, man? I was thinking kanishan, kaningan ni Sean. It's one of those. Kani daw.
Too visible sa That's hard.
This is hard. No. Wala tayong oras. This is barren. What the hell? I'm gonna check out the other room.
Japanese. Japanese.
Fuck, we should have increased time, Sean.
True. Detached motherfucker.
Paula, can we have an honor rule na dito sa Search?
Ay, dili siya magkuhan?
Ang saglihok mo lang. Again, please. Please. Please.
Or...
Please.
I'm checking the
Mine
balls
might
now.
might actually work.
Ano sa siya?
Oh, stop this shit.
Did I take a phone? What the fuck is this stairs, bro? Okay, I'll give you another chance. Okay, show before. Okay, I'll give you until 200.
Okay. Please.
Yeah. What the fuck was that? I saw nothing. My god, this place is so big.
Got it.
This... fuck are you?
Nakita din mo si JD.
Oo. Ooh.
I just gotta pray, bro.
What is that? Wait.
In this game ba, you kinda wanna get caught para makita nila imo effort.
Yeah. I get it.
What are you shooting at, Paula? Oh, shit. What are you shooting at?
Hindi? Oh.
Baka na one shot
No worries.
Mm.
Be quiet. Oh, that's so bright.
Where
This is
is you? Wait.
Oh no.
Keep doing your thing, Jid. Yeah. She is not. Never mind.
Ooh! Ay, grabe ka daw stuff. Frick. Wait a minute. Hindi? Inu?
Let me see your masterpiece, Vidyati.
Hindi? Hmm. Yo, in a
60
other
seconds.
room.
I think we can whistle.
Okay. Whoa, 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 girly.
Akin na dunggan.
Nadungan si Paula.
Hindi?
Dapat kanida ako ma-post ano.
No. Have you seen mine?
Mister, what is that bullshit?
What?
Whistle ka, whistle.
What the fuck? Hindi? Wait, what? What? What the fuck? Where are you? What the fuck? No,
Check
it's
the
not.
masterpiece. Vidyati.
Where's Chance? Oh, no. I knew you were. No, nagkakaroon ko diri. Wait a minute. Yo, that's good.
Toilet paper strat.
Even ako was like, how the fuck did he live that shit, bro?
That was good.
Isip to na map. Daghan shit. Yeah.
Lagi. Kaya dagan mag-rooms. You
Was
wanna
meant
do the
for-
barn one?
Sige.
I
Mas
think
mas
barn.
hunters.
Mas forgiving. Kay gamay ra man gud to. Ang tong gingerbread ang insane.
The setup really should be mga, I don't know, 3 minutes or some shit.
Ay pala. Run!
No.
Fuck, yeah, the barn one's hard to hide on.
Yeah, I don't know where.
Can I do this? Oh my god, you can! Um, wala, you will be. You see me, Paula?
I don't know.
Ready or not.
I'm so fucked.
Oh,
Asian.
EG.
I see you. Grabe ha, aning lighting ka shit. Uy, I can't really copy. What the fuck did you paint yourself, bro?
Yeah, you're better at being a hunter, Jid, because you played that alien game.
What? What do you mean,
You
alien?
played that alien game na mag-camouflage sila talaga and you snipe them.
Wala, i-delete na ako to.
Wala may nag-shit sa inyo, right?
What? I will say, Sean, I am lying down. That's
Asa ka,
all
Jid?
that
Asa ka, Jid?
expected. No, no, I got him, but I got him. You see me?
Wala lagi katong thing, Jid. Wait, the points thing.
Yeah, it updates like lightly, you know.
Ay, okay.
Time to time na mo update.
Yo, I've seen this Ramyun person a lot.
Yeah, I've noticed too.
Where is this Ramyun lady, bro?
Bro, you probably will hate my spot. I won't lie.
Asa ka, Jid? Asa ka, Jid? Oh my god, this asshole.
Okay, okay, there you go. I'll move.
Oh,
I'll
no, 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 no,
move.
no, no. No, that was alright. That was okay. Oh my god,
Imagine
why did I
holding
do that? Oh my god, why did I do that?
Dahil,
Mali,
since can you like squeeze into these things? Not enough space.
God.
I wanted to rotate all the way to the other side, Paul, but like I can't. Right now.
You're not a horse ball again, Jid, right?
No.
Yeah, I could you asshole.
How's that my fault?
Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I could you asshole.
What did I do?
Oh my god.
Ka Paula, yeah. I'm the asshole. Fuck you.
I mean,
Whistle,
oh
I dare you.
no, bro.
Whistle.
I want to... Yeah, Eugene, what the fuck?
Have I seen you guys?
Yep, you've seen me sort of.
We whistle at 10. 1, go.
You like in the cow or some shit? Yeah.
Yang I can did you asshole.
Asian, above you.
God.
Oh yeah. Where's Paula?
That was Paula, that's all.
I mean,
Oh yeah. That's pretty good.
I kinda looked at the cloud. Pwede ba na? Dira.
Also,
I knew that was allowed, but there were too many.
Dodi.
I didn't check all.
Diba kasi I was moving as you were like looking around. I was like, oh, we need to find a better spot.
Which map?
Ganun lang gamay siya.
Oh, yeah.
The sugar one.
Oh yeah, wa pa ko ka-hide nga to. Hopefully dili ko hunter.
Di ba ako ang hunter?
Ikaw mag-hunt pala, wala pa ka try hunt here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that guy.
Pow! Oh, yeah, mag-paint. Bigay mo
Okay,
sa
all right. What am I? What's the what?
What's the verdict?
I have a crazy idea.
What is your idea? No, do not say.
It's a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You know. Can I even get to my idea? Do you see Vision?
No. I will see you later.
This is cheap. Oh, wait. No.
It's not allowed. Man.
Do you see me?
I can't see you yet.
Oh, it's gonna be impossible to see me, bro. Oh, I saw you, Shan. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think the lighting is the only thing that will fuck me up.
Not bad, I guess.
Where are you?
What the fuck is this shit?
You see this? You see this shit?
You have to whistle multiple times.
I am invisible. I think if I just keep moving,
Grabe mo scary mo character, Paula.
what the fuck?
Hello! Hello! Bolo. Naro! Hello!
Nag-explain ko di mo pala.
I was
Ang
gonna
angle,
climb.
Jid. Tungod kay ni climb siya, naklaro ka tungod sa difference in angle.
Yeah.
Pisti, paspasa na di kat-kat. Uy!
Where's Sean?
Imagine.
Sayang ka.
Oh shit!
Yati mo sa fish.
Hello? Hello?
I should have just flew all the way at the top, no?
Oh.
Wonder if you can climb off the clouds. No?
I tried, but like there's a barrier.
Uh,
Allah, pakita ano si
Ow,
Sean.
ow, ow. You climb. Oh, there it is.
And how are you feeling?
feeling pretty good.
I see.
Mm. There's a lot of lollipops here.
No, no, no.
Sabi may ka-creeping
In
na.
this map, there's a lot of gingerbreads here.
I will say, Paula, you were... Hindi ako pa
Hinyo?
mag-time noon.
Ako rin, whistle.
Mawiso lang ka. Ako na,
Oh.
I wanna tease her. Nga,
Oh!
kuwan. What did you find? Oh, you found nothing. Expected tanon ko ni mo you asshole. I
No.
will say, Paula, you kinda were really hot at one point.
Oh my god, pwede di ka makaanhi diri.
What the fuck?
It's not like I didn't know that.
Hino?
What you see up here, Paula? What you doing?
Hino?
Flick na yan, ma-flick.
Pas ka nili.
Hino? Hino?
Grabe, kaderig ni mo. Ato siya doy. Still 100, bro. Oh, it turns into a donut. What the hell? Ang tira ni Paula.
It does.
Wait, siguro sa kato angle ako ganiya. But I think it's just paint, diba? Iya gitira. I assume.
Mm-mm.
Hino.
Ano sa maning dots ay mulawas, Paula? What is that?
Dot. Oh.
Tried my best to be small.
Oh my god. Grabe ka.
Bayawa, nagitan ko ni Paula. Pagnikat ka to.
Okay, galing ako ginger man si Sean. Otro.
Like last time,
So I tried hitting this dude.
I was planning to be a ginger man, pero kana ganing like, not alone. Murag mo pilit na ko sa lawas sa ginger man.
Died. Can we try backrooms again one more time?
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. Can I hide, please? Kaya wala po ka-hide sa backrooms.
Sige. I will hunt.
Okay, okay.
Eh,
Back rooms. Ito gani. Ay, okay.
Bay, si Paula mutago na po na sa light siya.
No.
Asa ba ka pala? Where are we going? What you doing?
Asa ka? Asa ka?
Does that work?
I know it doesn't work. Nasa ka, Jin.
You don't see me?
I don't see. Oh, there you are. Okay, 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 okay. Ay.
Do you know what I'm doing? I saw this earlier, so I was like, oh, I should.
Should I go?
I don't know.
Ay.
Why? Why is it like that, bro?
No.
It's kind of cool na you can paint your own hunter kay
While you wait, no?
while you wait. I can get a bit creative here, friends.
Wait, what? I am so fucked, Jade. Goodbye, Jade.
Oh, pagali. Unsa na lang ko?
I'm
Apa ko
fucked,
nahuman?
Jade. I am super fucked.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm fucked. I'm not going here.
Isti maning kapitul. Paula, I fell. Shan, wait.
Oh
Shit, wait.
Ako po!
Wait. Wait.
250.
Okay.
Wait. Nahulog ko siya. Bullshit.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Tulog ko sa ko spot. I click shift. Like a moron, bro.
5 seconds.
What the?
Paula is not doing the light shot anymore. I see. What's up with these holes in the floor?
I will say, it's kind of hard to find the Ria. I think.
Why'd you just...
Like, ito ako experience ba? It was kind of hard. Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
Barely seen you guys. Wow.
I'll be honest, I haven't really kind of looked where you were.
What's going on? I can't see. Can't see.
Like, I'm still fucking painting.
What? Wait, what?
What are you doing? Why are you laughing?
I broke clue as well.
Why are you laughing? Don't scare me like that.
I'll tell you later. Tell you guys later. This goddamn maze, man. This goddamn maze. I have not seen you at all, Jid.
Why
Are
is
you
Sean? Why does Sean have blood on his?
don't mind that.
What did you eat?
No.
We can talk about this.
I kind of want you to actually see me.
Not seen you. Like,
Kajid. Oh
You see
my
me, Paul?
god.
You see me, Paul?
Holy shit, that's good.
Nag-whistle ako siya.
what the hell?
Hi, Kajid.
Oh my god, my head clips through the wall.
Oh! Yeah!
The funny shit na ba kay...
Kita ka?
Kita ko ni Paula a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
Tapos she
really?
was acting it off.
Oh
I
my
miss
God.
him rin.
Paula, the thing behind you was white and you were gray.
Ako gig-copy. Ako gig-copy. Hindi ko siya mahimog white.
Did you notice? How long did it take for you to notice?
Paglabay na ako na ay murag bulge ang exit. That's like, oh, that's
I could
really
tell nga. Oh, I feel like he spotted me there, bro.
lisod yati. Si Polo na nagiging, di ano ko Polo ba? Di ano si Polo na, ano si JD na, wala ko na humanog paint. Tapos si Polo kay, ako food while I am literally looking at her.
I was painting sa legs. Pwede ako dili lagi makuha ang white.
Ako gani adjust
Dude.
polo on my own. Hibaw ka siya, you would have noticed if you looked at me a bit more earlier kay nakalimot ko butang sa middle area sa E. So it looked like like an E without the center part. It's so
Yati.
I'm my dyslexic ass, bro. Asa ni nga map?
Is it
It's the
random?
penguin one.
It's penguin one.
Fuck.
So God, ay.
This one's hard.
My
This
God.
one is meant for many.
Yeah.
I could do.
Oh. Ay! Ay!
Bawal man yata na.
Uy! Oh yeah, bawal di. Ay. Yeah, pidi. I am so fucked. I am super fucked.
What the The poses are so shit, man.
Mag-modded ta ni siya, and it would be fucking hilarious. Feel na na pa yung mga pose nga lingaw.
Surely. You pull yours off, Polo? What the hell?
Ready or not. Hello? Friends?
Hola!
I don't know what to do, bro. Wait.
Just up.
Oh my God, I'm so dumb.
Yung naka-ano ko. Naka-pre-cam. Looking at her.
I'm so dumb. What am I gonna do? Work? Ay.
Surprisingly, dili man day dako ni wait, it might be big.
It's just a bunch of rooms.
God, no.
I could have been another toilet paper.
No, you're not here.
You know. What?
Ako mo day second floor, no? Fuck.
Shit, that was bad.
Bro, this place is huge.
Gani.
Am I even in the same room as you guys? Oh, I'm not. God damn it. Ako main hall or second floor. Feel like second floor mo. Grabe lagi ni kawang. Yeah, I get the stairs thing now.
You need to like run.
Yeah, but like, ano pag ilingi ko?
Tsaka Sean, can
Oh.
I spectate you?
Yeah,
I didn't realize at first when I was like, you back.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, is you
I'm
motherfucker.
dead. I'm already dead, bro.
Ako.
Yeah,
Paula, where are you? Where are you, Paula? Are you in this room? I think you are.
it's one of those toys. It's one of those chandelier lights. One of those suitcases.
Where is this biatch? What hilom like ka, Paula?
She nervous.
Why you so
Can I
silent?
spectate you?
Can I get a whistle? Where are you? Are you here? Can I get you?
Rat corner.
Where are you?
Wait, oi?
Again, Paula.
Maya.
Again.
Oh, you're in the main room. God damn it, bro. Where is this?
Holy shit.
Oh my god. That is such a rat corner. Let's
Yes.
go.
A circle of blue.
Bitch. You.
Why you kill me, Jid? I was already dead.
The first pagana na ko ba? Taka ko dali kasi I wanted to jump across, right? Kaya maglikid ako. Wait, what the fuck is that? Kamatay ka ni anak ko.
Oh,
Oh, ano. Itanong siya sa taas.
Ligi ko skate because ligidan ko balik. Okay, I see.
sige. Last, ikaw, ano Paula? Hunter.
Ako, hunter.
Ano sa map? You pick Paula. What map?
Oh, okay,
Can
okay,
you
okay.
give us extra time?
Okay, oh, yeah, sure.
I can put 60, 120, 3 minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah, is that
Wait.
okay?
3 minutes.
Ano sa na map?
Back rooms.
Back
God
rooms?
damn it. I hate
Holy,
that
it's
map
gonna
so
be
much.
hard.
Yeah, it's hard.
3 minutes? 3 minutes? Oh my
Hmm.
God.
What na inani si Jib?
Gani.
It would be so
Good.
funny. Abtik guro na lisod kayo pagitaon si Jim.
Great. The back rooms.
Asa ba ito tago edition? This place hard, bro. I could be
Hmm.
this.
Can we get in these things? No.
No. I was thinking of something like this, no? Watch.
It'll your 3D-ness will show.
And then wait. And then we do this. We, you know what? Bright as
It-
can
it'll-
be.
You're still visible. Tungkol sa light.
Fuck. Asa man ko? This is hard, man.
Jid, I may have found a spot. I don't know if it's possible, but
Fuck. It's hard.
go down. What the fuck is this shit?
Fuck.
Masalpak.
Fuck, ni type ko. What the hell?
Naglagot ni si Ann.
Why?
On. Same lagi hapon, wala na perma teams kay naglagot si di man mo update ang mga dudes. Or like kuan, dili man ang hidaan nga dili sila makaring. Oh my god, where are you guys? La. Ini yun?
Tama ka, Jid.
Ini yun? Ini yun?
The funny part siya, no? Eh, wala kay ni. Wala. There is no like this, you know?
Ini yun?
Ooh. The nice hiding spot I just found.
Now you found it? Really?
Yeah. I'll use that next time. Wait, is it actually good though?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Don't check. Wait, it's actually ass, never mind.
Where are you?
We're at the back rooms.
Ini yun?
Get away from me, monster.
Ini yun? Ay, agay.
Random road, Paula.
Just random road. Oh, look, look. I hear someone.
You gotta give it to me, man. You gotta wait. I can take you to I can take you
What a traitor! What a traitor! What a traitor! What a traitor, bro! Any last words, bro?
wait. Let me at least show myself. All right, let me have this dignity. All right, okay.
You. Oh, you. Oh my god.
Jade, get away from me, Jade. Yate. No,
Where is
bro,
he? Where
no.
is he?
No,
Where is he?
bro. Yate. Bro, no.
Rate 1 to 10. How was my artwork?
It was really good, actually. But then, nakatawag ko, someone was run. Oh.
Was what?
Wait, ay,
I
naglihok
wasn't
dahil.
running though.
Oh, you were red? I heard
That was
someone.
you bitch.
Oh.
Ay, yate. She shot.
What happened?
Fucking
Oh. Sino? Sino?
asa yung hiding spot na pasabot siya?
I thought sa
Direct.
taas of vending machine was a nice one. Kaya naman good mo corner-ish. Tapos you just stick yourself to that small wall. Pero in a different angle mo, klaro man day.
Where is that vending machine? I know which one you mean. Whistle.
Wait.
Nah, she's not finding you, man. She's not finding
Wait,
you.
what? Wait, what? What the fuck? What?
I will say it's very
What
ratty.
the hell?
It's like the rattest shit ever.
Yo, that's so cool. Grabe
That's why
recording
nakaingon
ko,
ko nga.
bro.
Nah, she's not finding you. Nag-record ka pa lang.
Oh, nag-record ko.
Pag nanang uban din, rata matago ba? Kita talang.
Kita na siya tulog.
Parang
Fucking
nasunod sa
yellow
ano.
turds.
Oo.
Hindi na
My
uyan.
license
Oh,
plate was
real.
so fucking perfect, but Paula heard herself run and she thought it was me.
I know. Na may nagkuhan, na may nag-protrude sa car.
Natawa ko ato na nagulat ko di siya makita sa kuha niya paglingid niya
Yeah, the protruding thing gives it away, no?
lagi. We need to download like maps, bro.
Alright.
I'm sure na ano yung mga Gmod maps na appeal na sa community. Anong prop hunt na maps.
Kita na kong video nga kuan na sa line na maps na yung Minecraft gani. Grabe ka lisod.
OP ano. OP post.
Yeah, that one.
Naginanir ako sa toilet paper tapos wala ako nakita ni Paula.
Gani.
Bay, grabe ito obvious pag ay. I want to do this
Ganda.
post kanang it's kind of hard to find.
I wonder if maka-create tag shoot by like doing.
Bro, I saw a video where they created a turtle kay turtle sa map and it was so funny. Kay maot kayong turtle but the hypes couldn't find them. Na like we can
What's a good
merge
merge?
kuan. Wait siya, di gana no. Pisty ba yung nag-type ko?
Yaomi? Yaomi? Oh!
Wala.
Oh shit! Mali, ano?
Uy, pilit na sa wall. Ali, para. Ikaw na. Pilit sa wall. Kanya pala, can you turn into a ball again?
Oh!
Yeah, go up double head.
Ay, okay, wait. Oh. Ay, wait.
Control.
Control.
Maghimo tagi nga nga statue ba?
Yo,
Pwede
that's
gani ka, mulingkod Paula. Sit down daw.
Ay! Ay, kani.
Oh, we need to like move a bit. Yeah. Pilit ra na tong legs ni Paula sa wall. Yeah, we just stand like this.
Grabe ka, nice. Grabe lang siya ka-tricky kung mag-sit. Di dapat nagkakuan.
Magdali-dali ba?
Lisod ang
Yeah.
sitting.
I was thinking of making a swastika, I won't lie.
What's a swastika?
Pila lagi tayo mahimo nga
Yeah, that's it.
wait. Sit down daw siya balik.
There's the sit.
Can you go between us, Paula, where your head is like in between yun?
Ay.
Yo, that's actually like a weird shape.
Oh shit. Lisod eh. Nara.
Hold right click para pag tama na yung rotate, you just ano.
Okay. Ana di ay.
This would be fire, bro. Merge na tulo.
The legs.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Oh yeah, the
Dapat
leg.
ada ra. Iswag Paula. Adto ka sa center ka.
If this was on a wall, yeah.
No one would know, no.
Murag kuan, murag ano mag-paint tag. Ay, what if kuan like a little sofa?
Away? Yo, you
Oh,
can actually
yeah.
make animals like this.
Gani. Shit, I don't know where to. Ay, nara.
You wanna make the penguin?
Ay, the penguin.
What is this?
Yaomi?
Like dapat baga, no? So like
Nag-merge into one. Oh, yes. Ay,
Pwede ba na?
shit.
Wait. Talaga. Fuck, this is so annoying. Okay. I need your help, Shan.
What?
You need to finish this on your side, Shan.
Awa, murag ko on one dude.
You need to no,
Ay!
go back.
What is that? What is that?
You need to mirror it, Shan. Do you see it?
I see it.
Mirror it.
What is that?
Dapat no, like kuan daw Paula, try your legs inside our legs.
Is
Yeah, but like in between ka na mo.
that?
A bit more sa imuha right. Yep, now back up.
That?
Can we make a
Like an
penguin?
amalgamation of random shit.
Lisod guro ni like, kailangan dapat coordinated ta.
Gani.
Like guys, change color to purple. Okay, change color to purple.
How do you I can it?
Oy, nasab.
Oh wait,
Wala
ito.
ba? GG. GG.
Oh wait. Dito ko sa phone.
Can I copy you?
Think not.
Yeah, I can.
You can.
Oh,
What
no,
are you
it's just a
looking?
darker
Makes
shade.
you. What are you
Mangit-ngit man gud ang shade kay tungod sa shadow. Try it again. Now I'm really pink.
Light raman din ako. All light. Very light. Pink.
I'm getting close. So less we can tell each other the number of the color. What the hell?
Ayun.
Ang ano, ang
Um,
hex value.
Oh, like I tried daw unsay mo number sa taasan.
FF00 EAFF.
Okay, wait.
EADI.
FF00
Oh shit.
EAFF. There you go.
AFF. Ako kay FF.
For values here, so the last one is transparency. Where's the one?
Like transparency.
Pati values sa based sa ano like what I've known sa web dev. One is for transparency.
Puti as lubot ni Paula bay.
P. Oh my game. EAFF.
FF00 EAFF.
Ang last two values ang transparency supposed to be. But it doesn't work. Is zero na ako, it doesn't work.
Ay, mali. Sa middle.
I'll right click. This is like a faster way to. Oh, you spin.
You spin my
Helicopter,
head.
helicopter.
Helicopter. Post.
I am Paula's wings.
How do you? Oh,
Ganun
bitaw
ka.
no. Yung ko ano.
Yeah, makahimo tag cactus ani guys.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Sa nga post ang nindot para kuan daw siya
Yung mo naman
Yung ani ka.
taguan. Yeah.
and then you do the other side kadang the para 3D. Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good.
What's the hex value ninyo nga green niya? Ay,
Ano yun?
Send.
Gamit ako.
Hindi, answer.
Ilupad na magkalit.
Wow.
Send. Atong kagayin na jud ba?
Oh.
I was like running away. Nagana na ako joke. Patay na ako jud.
Okay, that is not dead, bro. I wanna do kanang taas unta ang ato akuan. Taas unta ato time cause like I wanna do like a poster ba.
Pwede. Yate green screen man ni Paolo.
Sana nga value ana Paula.
63FF 44FF. Very nice.
63 FF 44 FF.
So green, bro.
Green. So green.
Ano pa kayo nabilin na purple?
Nakatawa ko sa red patch ni Sean. Girigla.
Which red patch?
Where?
Nasa, katong hunter siya.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I saw that. I was like, oh fuck.
Sa back rooms.
Wait, what if we do this now? Wait. And then we go sa
Oh.
other side. And himuon na to ni og pink ba? Ang kanang bola gali sa to ulo.
Oh yeah. Masa nga hue.
Yung mo tag trophy, no? Some kind of trophy.
Like ikay fruit man na.
Mura tag gummy bears.
A fucking amalgamation of whatever the hell this type of gummy bear is.
Masa na nga hue.
FF44D9FF.
F1. D9. Shit.
I am getting some on my arm.
Amo kayo, no?
Sa kakuan. My lord.
I bring my laptop so I can play tomorrow.
Is.
What na si Ice? Ay, mo ito naka tomorrow, Jid. What time?
May evening pa man ko siya, no? So like, kuhan pag yun. Late.
Ay. Evening, like 12? First trip?
I
Or
think para na ko morning pero I feel like abot lang. Eh di magud ko maka-out sa'yo.
yeah.
Ay siya helicopter ta siya.
Helicopter. Oh, bubble. Version bubble gum. Helicopter. But the bubble gum, what the freak?
I can't make a penis. This is annoying. Lindot ni nga cactus ba? No one would know.
E?
Like, igana lang ba, no? Wag yung makabantay. Like, full color ta.
I thought ma-send ko. Ascension.
Hindi, wala may wall.
Oh, ay, dili. Wala, dili siya mo.
Iba ka
Ay,
na,
wala
ay,
mo di
guy.
wall.
Kita ko clip ba nga na guy nga nagkuan siya. Kato yun yung barn nga map. Yung Jesus siya.
Like Jesus.
O katong isa ka barn, iya gibot nga Jesus. Wala gud sila nakabantay.
Yay, no, muro kita ka siya. Abi na ko wala rin gali.
I ascended.
Oh. How do you ascend? Ay, dapat nasa wall?
It's pretty much an invisible wall.
Ay, bawal di siya ka ng...
If you turn off your shadow, mawala ka.
Hello there, fellow son of God. I, daughter of God.
Do you see my pink holiness? You
May
are
tanaw.
red holiness. Nagbaw. Bow.
I am
Look,
the devil.
I am the bubble gum.
Can you find me
Yeah.
without looking at the name? Like, it's so hard, right?
Nagko-blend. Unsa nung nga ka nang
Very hard,
blend?
Jid. I can't even see you right now.
Yeah.
Ah,
Shit.
I wonder saan pag ano, community maps.
I feel like ila ra na gising full.
Parang, parang ka sa bed ba?
Pew, 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 pew.
Hey,
Pew, pew, pew,
what's up?
pew. What the fuck?
Hey there.
Hindi ka nice. Hey, what's up, homie?
Aray ka, Jid. Wait lang. Where is it, bro?
Wait, what? Iligyan ko kang move sa...
Oh!
Bro, alam mo,
I may have peed my pants. That is pee. Do not mind that. Stop looking at.
Diligyan mo ko ano ko. Wait, what? Ano? Ano? Sani? Naghang ako. Dili ko ka move. What the fuck?
You're moving sa view.
I mean, dili ko ka move sa camera. Dili ko rotate.
press F.
Di gyapon. Wait, what?
Maybe you're holding something or free cam ka or something.
I-V-Day ang mic. God damn it.
What? Okay.
What is X-ray rendering?
Sa ano siguro, katong when you get to see them through the wall gani.
Ay, na. Puro gi-off kalit ko ang mouse.
I